Hey guys, Thomas Hutcherson with you from Q3Trading.com. It's 1:06 p.m. Central Time, November 22nd. Just wanted to give you a quick update on this LGVN trade that I've got going. Just had a halt where it has uh, very rapidly increased in price over the last few minutes. You can take a look here. It's halted at $17.90. And the reason I bring this up, don't see this a lot of time on most of my positions because most of my positions are more, well, they move up and down, and with any luck over time, they move higher more than they move lower, but not at such a rapid pace. So this particular equity, I've got a small portion in several of my accounts, and it's been, really a high flyer here in the last couple of days. Take a look at the daily chart. I've got, the cost basis on this is 455, and I'm still holding a little bit of the position, and it's after a little bit of pullback on Friday, pullback Thursday, got into it, went straight up pretty significantly on the news that it had, and then Friday it actually came down, gapped open, gapped up, was you know gapped up. It traded down most of the day, closed a little bit lower than the close on the prior day, but today it's been moving higher the majority of the day significantly. The volume, 50 million shares, which is a lot less than we've had the past 2 days. So I just think there's more buyers coming into this stock, driving it higher with the float being low. At some point, I imagine it's going to need to find support again. When in the future, I don't know, which is why I'm taking a little bit more of a modest approach to my trade and going ahead and scaling out quite a bit. I've already locked in the majority of the profit I'm going to make on this trade, but I still am holding a little bit of it because I don't know exactly how high this equity is going to run. I don't know. I can't predict the future. So I just don't know. So I'm still holding a little bit of it, and what I'm planning on doing is just letting it run as far as it's going to go. And then at some point, I'll go ahead and close out the position, the rest of it. But I kind of got a feeling that the story on this particular company is compelling. They've created they've just gotten FDA approval on something they've been working on, and I believe the FDA has granted rare pediatric disease designation for the company's treatment of hypoplastic left heart syndrome, which, to me, it sounds like there's probably not, no other companies that has this. So what they're doing, I imagine, is quite valuable to the industry, the hospitals, not hospitals, but the food and drug, the drug makers that are out there. So, if I were to guess, this is a pretty significant type of event for them. Now, the shares, the equity actually has come back online and is trading again, and you can see it's getting quite erratic here, where we're bouncing between 19.50 and 17. So that's the update on this. Just wanted to give you an update and show you. I was wanting to show you also on this block size. You can see now the significant 5,000 shares, quite a few block size, quite a few number of shares is coming in and trading on this equity. Significant amount of shares. Not as much as the first day, where you see how it just drove straight up in price from $4 to $10 to close on the first day. But anyway, moving again higher today. And at some point, I imagine the party's going to be over, and it's going to need to come down and find support again at some juncture. But for now, anyway, it's having another huge day, similar to the first 2 days prior. All right, well, thanks, guys. This is Thomas Hutcherson with Q3 Trading. I hope you're having a terrific day out there. We'll talk to you again soon.